How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my future success as an E-mini futures trader. If you guys are new to this channel, I want you guys to like and follow. Each week I actually go here and show you live real-time examples of trading the E-mini futures using simple market metrics. Now guys, my name is Justin. I am actually the founder of Simple Market Metrics, and I'm here to teach and educate as many people as possible how to pull out some money in the market if you have a limited time frame with your schedule, either before work or after work. Before we dive into the charts, I want to give a shout out to some new people that have just grabbed these metrics within the last 72 hours. Now, you guys, I've been doing a lot of shout outs on here. This might be a repeat, but I want to make sure I get these people. Brad, thank you so much for joining the team. Daniel, thank you so much for joining. Rody, and also last one here, Sandy. I want to give a shout out to those people who have already joined us and have already started seeing some great success in the market. If you guys haven't done so already and you are new to this, so you can follow along with all these metrics, just go over to myfuturesuccess.com. This will take you directly to there, or just click the link in the description. Click I want this. This will give you all the metrics that I use in the charts to do the technical analysis every single week. Take a look at our 5-star ratings from multiple people in the market having amazing success. But let's dive back into the charts. Let's do an analysis here with you live. I want you to go back on your charts and look at this exact time frame to see the exact signals that I'm looking at. So overall, you guys, where are we heading in the market? This linear regression is going to tell you based on the past 100 candles if we're heading in bullish, bearish, or consolidating. Put this to 100 on the top here. That'll tell you exactly the trend that you're going with. And then in corresponding, since we're heading in a bullish trend, go ahead and go over here, and I just want you to have buy signals illuminated. I want you to do that on the top, and I also want you to do that on the bottom here. Let's go buy and buy. So this is now going to give you the best entries into the market in an overall bull trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positions and opportunities here in the market to pull out. This is here on the 1 minute time frame. We are looking to pull out 2 ticks on the 1 minute time frame or 1 point on the 2 minute time frame. So this time frame specifically being the 1 minute, when this DOM over here, if we end up getting into a trade here to show you a real-time example, I'm going to adjust everything to 2 ticks, take profit. I'll show you exactly how I'm putting my stop loss and what I'm looking out for in this for stop loss in the market. If we end up getting a setup here, excuse me guys, but let's go over these signals that have already been populated on our chart and see exactly why a lot of these panned out really well. So you're going to see and notice a few things on this dashboard. This is going to tell you 3 to 4 key metrics in the market to look out for. White line is showing either money that's flowing into the market, price is increasing, money flowing out of the market, price decreasing. So that's number 1. Number 2, you're going to see these bigger green and red dots. These are just key EMA crossovers, specifically at that moment in time, saying green either to the upside or red to the downside. That's it. The last one you're going to look at is going to be this middle band. This is where you can actually stay within trades longer to say overall bullish or bearish momentum. You guys can tell over here how this is all solid red right now. This is where typically if you were to look at getting into a short position, you would want to just stay within the short position until you have your band switch over to an opposite color, where you could potentially have it as a stop loss or to exit out of the trade for profit. So specifically what I'm looking at on this chart right now and what I like to teach is, since you're overall trading in a bull trend, I just want you to wait for either all of your metrics in combination to go to the upside or to have a buy signal. With those in line, you are going to have the best opportunities to make your money to the upside. So what I'm looking at here is typically you're going to have selling pressure and buying pressure into the market, right? Selling pressure is going to tell you that you can see a decrease afterwards. Selling pressure, decrease afterwards. Buying pressure, what happened to the price? Increase. Buying pressure, money moving in, what's happening? This is kind of consolidating, going down. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see this start increasing. Now take a look. Money's now flowing into the market. A green dot on the middle here. This is where I want to look to see if we can end up getting a buy signal illuminated, since we're overall trading in that bullish trend, and see if we can pull out the couple ticks in the market since we are trading on the 1 minute time frame. Now I had a question just yesterday. Justin, I want to be going for longer trades in the market. I want to make more money. Okay, you can do so. Go to the 2 minute time frame, go for 1 point. But I want you to do this. I would rather be teaching here on YouTube. And if you guys want to, I actually have one-on-one trainings that I book every single week. If you're interested in one-on-one trainings, just email me. My link's below in the description. I would love to do one-on-one training. I had 5 one-on-one trainings last week and have met some incredible people that are just taking off, and gosh, their success is sometimes better than mine. But let's get back to the charts here. What I'm looking at is everything heading back up. So you guys can tell, again, we're stepping on this, right? If we're stepping, which way are we heading? We're heading up. We're also having this middle band is green. That's showing bull market momentum within this area. I wouldn't be surprised if we could actually see a good trade. I love this candle. This candle here is the best bullish Hiekin Ashi candle you can get. When you have a full body like this and a wick out the top, that is a good sign that you can actually see a continuation even higher. I want to actually look at getting in on this. I really like this. If we can get a slight little bit of a pullback here, I actually want to be looking at buying the market to see if we can pull out a couple ticks here live with you and actually see. There we go. Buy signal illuminated on the chart. I like this. Let's go ahead and go. Oh gosh, I want to wait for a pullback. Gosh, pullbacks are basically getting something on discount. This has already ran up a couple ticks in the market. All right, let's go ahead and buy. Let's go and adjust this to 2 ticks in the market instead of 4 ticks. Buy signal illuminated. All of our metrics in combination on the chart down here. Let's go and watch this pan out in real time. Great Hiekin Ashi candle here. If you're a little bit more of an advanced trader, this could have been a great entry into the market. This, however, teaching with principles, waiting for confirmation on a buy signal, and then actually entering in at that candle close. So another question that I get, when do you enter in? If you're starting off, wait for the buy signal to come onto your chart just as confirmation. Once the buy signal comes on and the candle closes, then that's what I want you to be looking at entering into a trade. So, and overall with that trend, trade with the buy signals, again, 1 minute time frame, go for 2 ticks in the market. It's not going to sound like a lot, but guys, this is going to add up so quick in your account. There is no reason why you shouldn't be able to go on your charts half an hour before work and be able to spot 2 to 3 different times in the market where this can actually pan out. And you should be able to do this pretty consistently each day. Another question I get, what is the accuracy on this? Well, if you guys are trading with the trend, having all these metrics in line and only having the appropriate signals, we're seeing not only myself, but hundreds of other people that have these metrics, anywhere between a 75 to 85% win rate. Nothing's going to be 100%. I'll be the first person to say that. I take losses myself. But when I look at losses in the market, I want to be able to capitalize on making the smallest amount of loss and having majority of the trades that I get into be winners. So I just want to stay here live with you guys right now, see how this ends up panning out. Again, we're only going for 2 ticks. It's not a whole lot in the market. On the 1 minute time frame, this will typically be able to range pretty good and hopefully be able to close this out. Again, everything looks really good. Dashboard, green dot in the middle, key EMA crossover to the upside. Buy signal, since all of our metrics are in combination. Middle band right here, another green middle band. So great. Everything is just saying be patient, stay within the trade. If this ends up switching over to red, I do want to be looking at getting out of that trade and getting out at either break even or for the least amount in there. If you're looking at holding for more than 2 ticks in the market and you want to have runners, you can do so. Just make sure this middle band here is still solid green. That's the only thing I want to recommend to you guys. If this stays solid green, you can stay within that trade, but I would highly recommend, if you're starting off, just go for the recommended 2 ticks on the 1 minute and 1 point on the 2 minutes. You're going to find that you're going to have way more success and more accurate success in the market going for that ratio than anything else. Now, I do know, like on here, I might get the comment saying, Justin, your stop loss is way down here and this is your take profit and the ratio is not good. Honestly, guys, I don't even look at this over here. I don't at all. All I do is just focus on this dashboard here. I stay calm within trades, and when I enter, I look where everything's going. If this switches on me, I look to exit. But something you could do, there we go. Nice flush to the upside right there. Gosh, getting a lot of movement into the market. So that was able to take out a couple ticks just like that. Trading here on the 1 minute time frame. All metrics in combination. Money continuing to step up in the market. Really good trade here. Middle band, solid green again, and also offer a buy signal. So entered in on the buy signal at candle close. Stayed in it, stayed patient, waited for all of our metrics to pan out. Got a nice push to the upside. Capitalized on a couple ticks in the market. Now, all I would do, go away from your computer, take 5-10 minutes, go grab some coffee, grab some tea, come back to the computer, look at your setups again, see which way you're trading. If it's bullish, bearish, or consolidating, have appropriate buy signals on. Make sure all your metrics are in combination on your dashboard and repeat the process over and over again. I would recommend you guys 2 to 3 trades a day. That's it. Do not do more than 2 to 3 trades. Try to stay within that. If you end up having 2 bad trades in a day for some reason, walk away. But like this live real-time example, I'm so glad this is ended up panning out on the chart. This is a really nice trade. End up running for actually probably a couple points in the market now, at least 1.5 points. But again, stick to the principles. 2 ticks on the 1 minute, 1 point on the 2 minute time frame, and you're going to see amazing success. You guys email me if you have any questions. Leave comments below in the description or leave questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to everyone. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Thank you guys so much for following. Take care.